Okay, so this one is a chest press machine. So meron tayo dito tatlong variation. So first variation is for upper chest. So kapag gusto niyo targetin yung upper chest, i-set up natin yung bench sa pinakababa. Okay, so para i-set up, angat lang natin yung bench and then lagay natin sa pinakababa level. Ayan. So pag nasa baba na, go sit the bench and then grab the bar and then chest out. And then push. Ayan, paharap lang. And then slow release and then push. Okay, so next variation is for mid chest. Okay? So para ma-target natin mid chest, adjust natin yung bench sa pinakagitnang level. So adjust natin, lagyan natin sa second level. Ayan, once na okay na yung bench, upo tayo sa bench and then grab the bar. Ayan. So chest out and then push, paharap lang. Ayan, make sure na naka-align yung arms mo sa mid chest mo. Okay? And then slow release, control, and then push. Okay, so last variation is for lower chest. Okay? So para ma-target natin lower chest, adjust natin yung bench sa pinakataas na level. Ayan. So pag okay na, na-adjust na sa pinakataas, so upo tayo sa machine, grab the bar, and then chest out. And then push. Ayan. Naka-align yan sa lower chest natin. Make sure na laging naka-align. Okay? And then slow release, control, and then push. Okay. So yun yung tatlong variation ng chest press machine. Okay. So again, para ma-target natin ang upper chest, adjust natin yung bench sa pinakababang level. And then to target the mid chest, adjust natin yung bench sa mid level. Okay? And then for the lower chest, adjust natin yung bench sa pinakataas na level. Okay? So ayun yung tatlong variation ng chest press machine.